Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home. This is a simple how-to guide for growing practical multi-purpose plants right outside your back door. We will cover micro gardens featuring dwarf veg, tabletop herbs, and compact edibles for balconies and patios. It is made for anyone who wants to grow a bit of their own food. But we want it to look good too. Grow practical, multi-use plants right near your back door. No massive garden needed. Just use the small spaces you already have. Balcony, patio, even a little patch of yard. We will focus on boxes, pots, and clever tabletop planters. Imagine stepping out to snip herbs or grab a sun-warmed tomato for your sandwich. That is decorative self-sufficiency. A garden that feeds you and looks brilliant while doing it. Right then, let us get down to the basics. First up, you need something to plant in. Rule 1. Pots must have drainage holes. Plants hate soggy soil. Use wide pots for roots like carrots and radishes, deeper pots for taller plants like tomatoes. Hot balcony. Pick lighter colored pots to keep roots cooler. Fill with peat-free vegetable potting mix. It is light, drains well, and often has starter feed. Mix in a bit of compost for nutrients and water holding, so you water less. Good soil equals healthy plants. It is all about light. Aim for 6 hours of direct sun if you can. Put sun lovers in the bright zone. Use shadier spots for lettuce and parsley. Water daily in summer, morning or evening. Aim at the soil, not the leaves. Add a thin mulch layer to keep moisture in. Let us start with dwarf vegetables. Compact plants bred to stay small but still produce. You get a proper harvest without the massive sprawl. Look for dwarf tomatoes like Tumbling Tom for baskets, baby beans, small peppers, even miniature cucumbers thrive in pots. When buying, the words dwarf, patio, or bush are your green lights. Tabletop herbs are a must, perfect on a small table or a sunny windowsill. Start with basil, parsley, and chives. Add mint for drinks. Keep mint in its own pot or it will take over. They are useful, smell wonderful, and add a lovely touch of green. Gently loosen roots. Set the plant level with the surface and firm the soil. Plant seeds about twice their size deep, then water well to settle them in. Spring, peas, radishes, lettuce. Summer, tomatoes and peppers. Autumn, another lettuce round and herbs. Mild winters, try hardy kale. With simple planning, you will have something to pick most of the year. Potting mix nutrients run out in weeks. Top up with liquid feed as plants grow. For fruiting crops like tomatoes, peppers and beans, use a high potash feed every couple of weeks once they flower. For lettuce and herbs, a balanced feed does the job. A little less is better than too much. Be a plant detective. Check leaf undersides for aphids. Wipe them off or use a simple soapy water spray. Strong, well-watered plants resist problems. Marigolds can help deter pests too. Design it like a flower border. Tall at the back, medium in the middle, low or trailing at the front. Stake a bush tomato at the rear, peppers and herbs mid-row, lettuces and trailing herbs up front. Use narrow shelving to go vertical, and hanging baskets for strawberries and trailing herbs. Maintenance is simple. Water, feed, and pick. A few minutes a day keeps it all thriving. There is nothing like the taste of food you have grown yourself. Pick herbs regularly. It encourages bushy growth. Harvest cherry tomatoes when fully colored and just soft. They will be bursting with sweetness. Use cut and come again on lettuce so a few plants feed you for weeks. Do not be shy. Get it into your kitchen. Easy win. Herb butter. Soften butter, chop parsley and chives. Mix. Gorgeous on hot toast or potatoes. Start small. Maybe a mint pot and a cut and come again lettuce. Learn as you go and add more next season. That is decorative self-sufficiency, beauty and food, right on your doorstep. Tells us what you think in the comments, and like and subscribe.